we made it here to Philip Bridge. I'm not sure what it is, but it is a historical bridge. And it's historical because this was the first land battle in West Virginia. And by commemorating that, they have this nice park here with this nice 2-lane double bridge. Not sure what else is going on. Christina's over there checking out the new Almost Heaven swing.
New? That's one of the original.
So it took us a while to get here. We left the house this morning at about 6 a.m.
Yeah, it's 9.
It's 9, drove about 3 hours, and somewhere along the way, we hit snow, and we were in the back roads the whole time. It was absolutely gorgeous. I really wish we didn't have to stop I really wish we didn't have to speed through this trip to get through everything, because it was an absolutely stunning drive.
So this bridge was built in 1852. It's the longest and oldest covered bridge in West Virginia. It's significant because it was part of the first land battle of the Civil War in West Virginia.
And if you look right back here, there's a historical BP, I think. I'm not sure if that was here when the whole Civil War back and forth, north versus south was going on.
It probably linked BP was battling to get sheets over there.
Yes, that's exactly what happened. It's a beautiful snowy day. I've been waiting all year for snow, and I finally caught it. We drove into it. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That's gorgeous. And I hear ducks somewhere. You got the beautiful little historic town over there. It's gorgeous. Take another look at that view. This would be nice to have a dog running around, having fun out there playing by the water. It's a gorgeous little park, but we're gonna go over here and we're gonna cross that bridge. But I tell you what, if we had the time, and if we had a van or RV, I would love to hang out in this little town and grab something to eat, spend the night here before we head on to find other wild and wonderful things of West Virginia. So the park here, which seems to also be dedicated to the military, is right off the main strip, right next to downtown. But it's a nice place to sit and reflect on what men are capable of, what the government's capable of. You can hear the water hitting the rocks, the snow falling, the sheets, gas pumps ticking away, the cars driving over the bridge, over the water. But I'm loving this. This is a great start to this trip.
It's important to note you can't walk through the bridge, or we would do that.
Yeah, no walking in the bridge.
No pedestrians.
You can walk along the side of the bridge, you just can't go inside and walk. What kind of stuff is that? But let's see. We can be like the local crackheads. So I stand corrected. Christina tells me that this is called the Blue and Gray Memorial Park. Just park. So blue and gray, which would have been the North fighting, right?
So North Territory, I'm pretty sure.
Northern Territory.
Confederates are red.
So this town's claim to fame. This is why people come here. This is what draws in the tourists. The covered bridge and the Almost Heaven swing down there with the bridge as the backdrop. So thank y'all for coming with us on this visit to the Philippi. Am I getting it right yet?
I don't know. We listened to some pronunciations and everybody pronounced it different.
Everybody did. So Philippi, Felipe, Philip, we want to thank you guys for coming along with us to see the covered bridge. We're going to continue on our journey, so we want you to go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Hit the like button to keep us in your algorithm and watch the next video. We're probably going to the Mason-Dixon. Thanks for watching.